Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Shopify's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Shopify's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Shopify application. The homepage of Shopify application will appear on the screen. Click on My Store icon at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on your profile email address. On the next page, click on Logout option. Confirm logging out of your Shopify's account by tapping on Logout once again. It will log you out of your Shopify's account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Shopify's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.